want the daily dope again. I want the daily dope.
My name's Jean-Paul, known as the JPG. Can't leave brands alone. The game needs me. Shout out to Jay-Z. It's The Rock. Welcome back to another episode of the Daily Dope. I'm your host, Jean-Paul Gedeon, bringing you knowledge and experience share. Today's topic is diversification. What I mean in diversification is specifically talking about diversification in business, products, and services. So there's other ways people say diversify. We've all heard that. We've all heard people saying diversify. We need to diversify. This is what people were saying. How we took that and applied it to our business is we diversify in the products and services we offer as a company. As JPEG. 21 years ago when we started in the year 2000, the future, we started out screen printing t-shirts and making stickers for our clothing brand, idēl Hawaii. That was the brand we started. It was a clothing brand, how we really originated. It's spelled idēl Hawaii. That's IDEL with the macron above the E. That's the long E sound. That's the line over the E. IDELHawaii.com. You can still buy the shirts and support us over there and the hats. We started off screen printing t-shirts and making stickers. Shortly after, we were asked to make 1,400 t-shirts for a restaurant called Roy's Restaurant. It's a fine dining establishment. From a clothing brand, seeing as there were so many clothing brands starting at the time, is a very low barrier to entry. And we got a larger order from a restaurant. I said, hey, wait a minute. We could be a business-to-business company, and I could sell to a lot of businesses who would keep on buying our product. So we went into the custom printing business. That's how we really started right there. Then we're doing stickers and t-shirts for them. They would say, what else can you do for us? And then I would ask them, what else do you need? So then our first product we really offered was business cards, because we said, well, we can do business with every company. It's kind of like the best business card is that we print business cards. So we started printing business cards. As with all of our products, we test them out on ourselves first. So we tested out business cards on us. It looked good. So I sold Roy's Restaurant business cards for their managers and people in their staff. Next, we were doing brochures, folded brochures and booklets. And then we do signs and banners. Then we would start offering promotional products such as, drinkware, custom printed drinkware. Shout out to Creative Design Hawaii for hooking up EO Hawaii with these in our webinar and drink making and food cooking events together. Creative Design Hawaii, Tiana Gamble, thank you so much. And yeah, so we do these sort of products, whether it's drinkware or it's pens or it's flags or golf towels or USB chargers with your logo on it. There's all sorts of products. So we got into product sourcing. So if you look how we really started, we started manufacturing. We started printing ourselves in our kitchen. And then our garage. What I'm doing, I'm screen printing. I'm pulling a squeegee to print that shirt. That's what that was. And then we started offering paper printed products. That's the brochures, the business cards. Then we got into logo items. And what that really led to was product sourcing. So we can basically get any product, whether it's drinkware, whether it's office supplies. We like to call them desk dwellers, things that sit on your desk when you're at work. So you get a brand on them. People use these a lot. What we found in diversification is that if through our product line, if we were printing signs and banners, well, maybe a company we work with doesn't always need signs and banners. They might need it once or twice or every season. But if we produced things that companies would consume, which is business cards and brochures and valet tickets and receipts, carbon copy receipts, you get like the yellow, the white, and the pink copies when you're getting like deliveries. So we would do those. And we diversified what we can offer our clients. So now we have a full range of services from graphic design, printing of many products, sourcing for those products. My team, in-house staff, installs graphics on walls and cars and windows and floors. And also we offer video production services because we all need content nowadays for social media and our websites. So what did our clients would ask us, do you do videos? We didn't. We started producing our own videos, which you've seen us promoting and documenting our vehicle wraps or our window wraps and kind of showing along the journey of what we're doing. So now we're very skilled at that. So we offer that as a service, and we offer out-of-home advertising. That's advertising in the supermarkets, whether it's Long's or Safeway or Times Supermarket. We have, the grocery dividers. These separate your groceries right at the checkout. This is a product that we designed, manufactured. You can slide your ad in, slide it right out. So anyone who can change pricing on shelves in a supermarket, slide the advertisement in. Now you've got a branding spot. So I designed this in Adobe Illustrator. I found a manufacturer for it, then went ahead and applied for a patent in the US, Japan, Australia, Canada, UK, and the European Union. Got it. So it's cost a few bucks to get patented, but it's, protected. It's our intellectual property. It has value now, and no one else has it. And we deploy these and we sell advertising on it. There's other advertising products, which is it's really my favorite part of the business, is being creative, coming up with ways to generate revenue and also bring a value to our customers and our clients, who are really our partners when we advertise together, advertising partners. So United Healthcare, huge healthcare provider in the US. It's one of our partners. That's one of our partners. We work with them. They're agencies, different agencies. So diversification. As we started as a clothing brand, we knew that there was much more we could do. Then we got into other products and we diversified what we offer in our products and services, but staying within our core competency is what we do. So that's my experience share for diversification. There's a whole lot of other topics you can get into diversification, but that's what we're talking about today. Aloha Friday. March 12th, 2021. This is episode 9 of the Daily Dope. Please follow along on YouTube. Just go to jeanpaul.com. That's JEAN-PAUL.com. That's right, jeanpaul.com. We'll take you to our whole list of podcasts of every content we've put out, whether it's the Daily Dope or the In My Experience we do for entrepreneurs, organization members, interviews, or Hawaii Business Now. These are all different shows, but on the same channel and the same purpose, is to communicate, to build our audience, to feature our friends, clients, and partners, and subject matter experts, and produce content we can share because it builds our brand, it builds their brand, it brings you value, and you learn from this. It all works. Have a good one.
I want the Daily Dope again. I want the Daily Dope.